MyBackup can't keep up with today's Android backup needs. Slow transfers, failed restores, and limited data support are common issues. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful MyBackup alternatives for faster, safer backups. Top 1. Best MyBackup alternative: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. It lets you back up and restore photos, videos, contacts, messages, apps, and more with just a few clicks. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac offers fast transfers and secure local storage. Top 2. IDrive. Cloud-focused users benefit greatly from this service's ability to back up phone content to secure online servers. Accessing files across devices becomes simple thanks to real-time sync and cross-platform support. Top 3. Neo Backup. Advanced Android users often gravitate toward this open-source option due to its flexibility and customization potential. Full app and data backups are supported, giving rooted users more control than many traditional backup utilities. Top 4. Droid Transfer. Managing phone files from a computer becomes extremely convenient. With this powerful PC-based companion, photos, messages, music, and call logs can be transferred and backed up without complex setup steps. Top 5. Seedvault. A privacy-respecting solution is provided through this Android integrated backup tool. Found in many custom ROM environments, local encryption ensures that no third party can access sensitive app data and personal files. Top 6. DataBackup. A straightforward and minimalistic interface helps users quickly perform backups without unnecessary complexity. Contacts, call logs, apps, and media files can be saved directly to local storage or external destinations. Top 7. Essential Backup. Users searching for a no-frills but dependable backup app often appreciate the clear layout and fast operation. Multiple data categories can be saved or restored without diving into confusing menus.